Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install the custom font on waybar in Arch Linux. So first off, what you want to do is go to the Arch user repository and search up font and then the keyword that you want to go with that font. So in this case, I want Google Sans. So what am I going to do? Well, we're going to go to the terminal. I'm going to clear this out. And we're going to do yay -s CTF Google -sans, and it's going to start installing. If it gives you this message, just hit A or enter. It gives you this message, hit enter again, and then it will start downloading the file and installing it. Now, you may need to put in your sudo password, such as now, but then it should, after you hit Y, it should just install automatically. Now what you want to do is squiggly line /.config /waybar style.css. Actually, no, I forgot, I'm slow. You have to put sudo nano before that. I'm really slow today, sorry about that. And then, yeah, we're in here. So now what you want to do is go to font family, and then in the quotes, just in the quotes, just remove that, remove whatever font is within the quotes, and then put the name of your new fonts, in this case, Google Sans. Hit CTRL+X, save it, yes, hit enter, and then close out a terminal, and then hit SUPER+SHIFT+B, and boom, there's your new font. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Y'all have a nice day.